Hit the epi. You're looking so damn good today.
Hey, thanks, dude.
Holy smokes. Ow! That was weird. $1,000 bucks?
$5, can't move.
You can't move, okay.
Let's go 5.
It's so damn hard without moving. Let's go, boys. I don't know where that guy is. Someone wake him up, though.
Let's go, Sutsy.
At right wing, number 47, Aidan
That water stinks.
Do we have any D-zone ones? I'll let you sneak in.
If you're doing well, just go. I got Doter.
Oh, yeah!
Hey! Hey! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Leave it! Stay out! Woo! Hey! 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 Get Gooder! Yeah. That was sick, dude. That was the coolest fight I've ever seen. Like, there was no knockout, but it was still the coolest fight I've ever seen. Nice pass! Oh, that's a gift. Strong or bump? Strong. I'm buzzing. Strong. You can go hard. I'm gonna fly.